We have already seen most of Feynman rules for QED, so let's remind them briefly. The first one is to draw all the diagrams for the relevant process. And for QED, we have vertices connecting two fermionic lines, one with an incoming arrow, one with an outgoing one, and a wavy line which denotes the spin 1 boson. Each line should be also labeled with a 4 momentum. The rule number 2, we have a propagator for fermion lines, which is a Dirac propagator. We also have a factor I. And also we have I times the propagator for vector field. So that's for a massive vector field. And in fact, when we turn the mass to 0, we have a simpler propagator. So that's the one we will use for photons. We will start with this one and see that indeed this term does not contribute in QED. Rule number 3, we have an energy momentum conservation at each vertex, and the value of the vertex is minus IE, the coupling constant, which is also the charge of the electron, times the gamma matrix. Rule number 4, we sum over momentum for each internal line. Rule number 5, we do not associate propagators for external lines, but we still need to specify their spins. Rule number 6, we haven't seen this one, but we won't probably use it. It's we associate the factor -1 for each closed fermion line. And rule number 7, we do not write explicitly the energy momentum conservation for the overall process.